Hey guys, today we are going to open some baseball cards. So here we have Topps Bunt. Topps Bunt. My hands might look a little big because this I don't have the right camera for this kind of thing to do, but just kind of go with it. So today we're going to open Topps Bunt 2017 Topps Series 2 with Chris. So we got Kris Bryant, and then another Kris Bryant, and then we're gonna open Series 2, Series 1, and then Bunt. So yeah, I just saw a lot of people doing these on YouTube, and I thought, why not? So I just went to Target. These aren't that much money. It was only $4 for these three things. So we're gonna open them like this. We're gonna open Bunt, Topps Bunt first. So let's open this. Alright, so this and open and say. Alright, so first we got, let's go right here. DeGordon. If I pass somebody that's really good, just tell me. Joey Votto. Troy Tulowitzki. That's a pretty cool thing. Is that numbered? No. Robinson Cano. What? Claim $29 in free coins. What is that? Comment below what this is. Topps Bunt claim, and it has like a scratch off thing. I don't know, I'll have to look that up. And then we got Evan Lawrence and Dylan Bunce. So that's the first pack. My top two favorite cards were definitely Troy Tulowitzki and probably Robinson Cano. So that looks pretty cool. And then Robinson Cano. There's the pack. So next, let's open. I think that was a pretty good pack. Again, I have no idea what this is. So yeah, next let's open this pack. So, alright. So this has a little more cards, but I'll just go to all of them. Matt Winter or something. I don't know all of these people. Noah Syndergaard. Yes. Matt Grass. Sorry guys, you might not be able to see all of them. I don't know that name. Sorry, wait. I'll do that, like that. That's pretty better. Alright, so next we got Joe Martinez. Then, what is this? What are these? I wonder if they have them, all of them. The Show, 2017, PlayStation. I have no idea what that is. So, I guess that's it. And Luis Gonzalez, Roger Clemens, JD Martinez, Derek Dyrich, I don't know, Daniel Valaki, Justin Bour, and then Alex Gordon. So that wasn't the best pack, but we still have one more pack to go. Alright, so let's try and get this here. So let's go to the very back. Are these all upside down? Yep. So let's go to the back. We got Chris Archer, Nelson Cruz. It's pretty good. Houston Straight. Adam Duvall. David Ortiz. Yeah. Cal Ripken. Is that numbered? No, it is not. Then Andrew McCutchen, Lance McSing, Anthony Rizzo. That's a good card. Matt Strammer or something. Jacob deGrom. And Tyler Flowers, I'm guessing. Alright, so that was a good pack, actually. I'm pretty pleased with that pack. So, my top 5 favorite ones were probably... let me get them out real second. 1 second. Let's look at these. I still don't know what these are. What these are? The show and stuff. I don't know. Sorry guys, 1 second. If I can get them right. Good. That one, probably that. And how much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. One more, I guess. Alright, so, yeah, let's look at my top 5 favorite. So, my number 1 favorite is Troy Tulowitzki. And my second favorite is probably David Ortiz. Third favorite, Nelson Cruz. Fourth favorite, Noah Syndergaard. Fifth favorite, Anthony Rizzo. And then Robinson Cano. And then Andrew McCutchen. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all liked this video. If y'all did, comment below and give it a like. I have more cards, so it depends how much likes this gets, and if y'all want to see any more videos like this. See you guys, and again, sorry. Comment what this is, or something. I'm probably going to look it up and read it about it, because I have no idea what it even is. It could be like a really good thing, or not very good thing, so I really don't know. And then, what is this? The show 2017? I know what the game is. Like, I know the show, but maybe it's like a... It says, use the code below to access your MLB The Show 10 standard packs. So, you can collect packs on the show game, I'm guessing. Only on PlayStation. And then this says, claim $25 in free coins. So, in free coins. And then there's a scratch off thing right there. Random your app and coin award. 1. Download Topps Bunt for free. Sign up, create your fan's name, username. Get Topps.com, enter code. Enter code that is this and then 4, redeem your coin award in the bulletin inbox in your home screen. So I still have no idea, even though so I know it's like an app that you get on your phone. So it's an app that you get on your phone, and maybe you can get coins, and then $25 in free coins, to like add up to get actually like real life card packs and stuff. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna scratch this off because yeah. So, and I will see y'all guys next time. And see ya guys.